Welcome back to the channel. Immutable Linux distributions are gaining popularity due to their enhanced security, reliability, and ease of update management. These distros have a base file system that cannot be modified directly by the user, which reduces the risk of system corruption or unwanted alterations. Here are some of the most important and well-known immutable Linux distributions. Fedora Silverblue, variant of Fedora, focusing on an immutable desktop experience. It's particularly aimed at developers and users who need a stable operating system for container development or for software that frequently changes. The system is managed through rpm-ostree, and it supports container technologies like Podman and Toolbox, making it ideal for container-based workflows and development environments. openSUSE MicroOS, designed as a lightweight and minimalistic immutable system, perfect for running containers, edge devices, and desktop workstations. Known for its robustness, MicroOS uses transactional update, ensuring updates are applied in a transactional manner, reducing the risk of errors. It's suitable for both server and desktop use, and it leverages BTRFS as its default file system for enhanced reliability. NixOS stands out for its unique approach to system management with the Nix Package Manager, which allows users to configure the entire system declaratively. While not traditionally immutable, every system configuration is fully reproducible, and updates can easily be rolled back if necessary. This makes NixOS an excellent choice for users looking for a highly configurable and reproducible environment. Vanilla OS, based on Ubuntu, offers an immutable operating system with a focus on ease of use for the end user. It provides the benefits of an immutable system without sacrificing user-friendliness. The APX Package Manager allows software to run in isolation from the main system, and it supports applications from various package formats like Flatpak and AppImage, making it a great option for users seeking a stable yet versatile desktop experience. Fedora Kinoite is the KDE Plasma-based version of Fedora Silverblue. It offers a similar immutable system managed by rpm-ostree, but with the KDE Plasma desktop environment. Kinoite is perfect for users who prefer the KDE experience while benefiting from the stability and reliability of an immutable system. Flatcar Container Linux, a fork of CoreOS, is an immutable distribution optimized for running containers. It is designed for cloud environments and container orchestration with Kubernetes. With a minimal design focused on security, Flatcar ensures automatic updates, making it ideal for efficiently running containers in cloud or large-scale environments. Endless OS is primarily aimed at new Linux users and educational environments. It's an immutable distribution designed to be user-friendly and comes with a variety of pre-installed applications, allowing it to function even without an internet connection. The system is built to be stable and secure, with an interface similar to GNOME that is easy to navigate. Endless OS is particularly optimized for offline use, which makes it a great choice for educational settings or users in areas with limited internet access. These immutable Linux distributions offer a range of benefits, including increased security, stability, and simplified management, making them particularly suited for environments where system integrity is critical, such as desktop use, servers, and containerized deployments. Thanks for watching.